Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Like, it's kind of an awkward situation, but I actually wanted to tell you that you are absolutely gorgeous, and
Okay.
I just wanted to tell you, you made my day. Actually, thank you so
Why?
much to making my day.
Most welcome. Bye.
Yeah, I love you too. Yeah, because मुझे देर नहीं करनी थी. मेरी माँ ने बोला था कोई अच्छी चीज में ना देर मत करना कभी.
Okay, but I don't know you.
You don't know me. My name is AJ.
Okay. Hi, AJ.
Hi. Your name?
Namira.
Namira. Namira vets AJ.
Oh,
हाँ.
no, I'm so sorry.
Sorry? Okay. Namira, sorry, vets AJ.
No.
Oh, what happened? Okay, I thought sorry is your last name.
No.
No. My name is AJ.
Okay.
AJ vets Namira.
Okay, I don't know you. I'm so sorry.
You don't know me? I am very famous, you know.
No.
You don't know me. I work for Hollywood.
Seriously?
I did movies like Avatar.
Okay. Oh, okay. I didn't watch Avatar.
You didn't watch?
No.
Now you can watch. Yeah. Your eyes are beautiful.
Thank you, but they don't pop.
Huh?
They don't work.
They don't work?
No.
Oh. Oiling करना जरूरी है.
Okay.
Yeah. My eyes are working, right? It's working?
I don't know. I'm
You
sorry.
don't know. You should know. You can
Why?
take my Instagram details,
Why?
login information.
No, thank you.
Because login ID is my heart and password is your love. You got it?
Yeah.
You can log in and DM me.
Okay.
You can send me love.
Okay.
You can send me emojis.
Okay.
You like emojis?
Yeah.
I love emojis. What's your favorite color?
Black.
Black? That's why I have black hairs. Yeah.
Okay.
You like coffee?
No.
You don't like? Even I hate coffee. कौन पीता है coffee?
सही ना.
वही तो. What you like?
चाय.
I am chai lover. दिन में 10 बार चाय पीता हूँ मैं.
नहीं,
अदरक
मैं
वाली
दिन में
चाय.
3 ही बार.
3 बार, हाँ वही 3 बार पीता हूँ मैं. 10 बार कौन पीता है? पागल होते हैं. 3 बार पीना चाहिए ना.
नहीं, मैं 10 बार पीती हूँ.
अरे यार 10 बार पीने वाले बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. वो स्मार्ट होता है, दिमाग चलता है उनका. मैं भी 10 बार पीता हूँ चाय.
I don't like.
You don't like tea?
No.
Shit, I hate tea.
What do you like then?
I like you. I like your smile. I like your eyes, and I like your hairstyle. I like your dressing style. I like the way you do this thing. I like everything.
Okay.
Yeah. मेरा स्वीट है, मत बैठो इस पे. मक्खियाँ मंडरा रही है. Yeah. You look like Kaju Katri.
Kaju Katri?
Yeah, you like Kaju Katri, na?
No, I don't like
You
Kaju.
like? See, even I hate. You like Barfi, na?
No, I don't.
Even I hate Barfi. What you love? You tell me first.
I like chocolate.
You like chocolates?
Yeah.
Okay. Even I like chocolates
Why?
because you love chocolates. That's why.
No,
You don't love.
no,
I know you like Ferrero Rocher.
no, I don't like.
You like. You like me maybe. Do I look like chocolate?
No.
No. You'll go there.
No, you don't like chocolate. You don't look like chocolate.
I don't look like chocolate. Can you just guess the material of this shirt?
Maybe cotton? I don't know.
It's kind of a boyfriend material.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
And
And you like Superman?
no, I don't
Spider-Man?
like Superman. No.
Then I'll be your man.
Bye.
Because I like you so much. Maybe more than this world.
Okay.
Yeah. तुम्हें पता है पूरी दुनिया को मैं एक हाथ से पकड़ सकता हूँ.
कैसे?
ऐसे.
Okay.
It's okay.